Hi Domino, my name is Zach. I'm the content creator here at Stockton 12 Honda. So you're interested in the 2014 Audi A5 Quattro that we got on the lot. So I figured I'd introduce myself, show off the vehicle, and welcome you on down to the dealership to come check it out in person. So without further ado, let's check out this awesome Audi A5. All right, so this Audi A5 is a gem. It has only 99,000 miles. Previous owners were a older couple that really took care of their vehicle, and you could tell by just walking around and looking at it. No scratches or dents on any part of the car. The nice tinting on the rear windows help keep that interior cool and keep the leather protected. Plus the cargo tray and all season floor mats, just a bonus to help keep that interior nice and clean. And since it is an Audi, it is a luxurious car. It's got parking sensors on the back here, rear camera, the dual exhaust, just give it a nice sporty look. Got the roof rails if you want to add some sort of crossbars for any kind of outdoorsy activities. The leather is beautiful and pristine. You'll notice the rear airbag here as well for the comfort of any rear passengers, and the seats drop super easy, both on the side here and from the trunk space. As you come up front, you'll notice stuff like the auto seats, move them with just a push of a button. You got the Bluetooth capabilities, heated seats, built-in navigation, auto dimming mirror, and the entire sunroof that goes across the top there. There's a lot more to show off on the Audi. I don't want to take up too much of your time, but hopefully this introduction allows you to have the opportunity to come check it out in person. It's a one-of-a-kind car. Hard to come by something this nice for the price that it's at in the current market of today. So come on down, ask for me. My name is Zach. My number is in the description of this video. If you want to reach out to your salesperson as well, their number is in the email that we sent you. So we look forward to working with you here at Stockton 12 Honda. Hope you have a great day, Domino. Talk to you soon.